Hi, so today I'm making an exercise video to support getting more movement in your spine, in the shoulders, through your arms and hands, but it really is a nice one also to loosen up the lower back as well. So to make sure that the lower back feels okay before we get going with this one, I'm going to invite you to take a moment to bring your hands around your waist, take your thumbs and place them right there on the lower back. And I'm going to invite you to do a little bow forward. And then as you stand up, bring your hips forward and do a little pressure in there just to release any tension you might be holding. And then you can bow forward again to stretch it out. And then press your fingers in there to loosen up any areas of stuck energy, and then bow forward to loosen that a little bit more, and then you press. You can do a little massage, move your thumbs around, and bow forward. And a few more times, just kind of moving your thumbs around to find those areas of tension. And press on them. And then as you bow forward, it starts to loosen up whatever you've just pressed. And then we can have a little bit more flexibility here in the lower back so that we can do the exercise. So let's bring our hands to the side. Set them out to the side here in our starting position. And we're gonna breathe in and bring your fingertips so that they face the waist. Let them flow back behind you and then out to the side. And trying your best to keep your palms facing up. Bring the hips forward, let the arms come up above your head, cross over and come back into our starting position. Hips start to flow back, hands come to the hips, go back behind you, out to the side, and up above. So, you can inhale and exhale. And we're getting all these different movements that are available to your arms and shoulders and back and spine as a whole. And as we start to move this, we start to bring more chi, more energy flowing through these areas that can get very stiff, very stuck. And brings a sense of vibrancy here to support the flow that the joints are trying to give you each and every day, but maybe aren't able to do that because they're feeling a little restricted. So hands go out, palms come up above the head, and out to the side. One more time. Into the hips, back behind you, and out to the side, above the head, and back to the starting position. And you can let the arms drop down. Take a moment just to feel that. To feel how it starts to open up more into the chest, into the shoulders, upper back, and even the lower back from all that bending forward and back. So let's try it the other direction now. So this time, we're gonna bring our hands and we're gonna start by going out in front, hips go back. Then bring your hips forward as the hands go above the head. Crossing over, curl the hands around, bring them down to face the hips, and then send them out in front as the hips go back. Inhale, let's gather some energy all around here. Curl those hands as best you can, and palms go out to the front. And even if your hands are you're spelling the energetic T here, you're still getting some good movement, so it's all going to be in your best interest to keep playing with this, to keep those joints nice and supple. Inhale, curl the hands around, exhale. Hips forward, hands above the head, cross them over. Curl the hands around, pointing towards the hips, and then send them out in front. Couple more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And then rising back up. Take a few deep breaths and just start to feel more chi, more energy, more blood flow, more vitality in your body. I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Take care.